Good news, everybody.
Tesla, named top pick, Morgan Stanley. That's Adam Jonas. Overweight, target 330.
Morgan Stanley says that Tesla is the only company able to sell EVs at internal combustion engine-like margins and have an unprecedented presence in the battery supply chain. It's almost like Morgan Stanley is figuring out that Tesla's earnings are going to continue to increase as legacy automakers are going to completely, miserably suffer. Morgan Stanley, in one of their previous reports, even said that the auto industry is known for such bad use of capital that automakers that cannot make EVs profitably should just basically give up and not even try to transition because they waste so much money on internal combustion engine vehicles anyway when you look at their track record last few decades. So just let Tesla take all the market is basically almost what they implied in that previous report. And you legacy automakers just focus on making internal combustion engine vehicles until you die. That is the fate that you are going to face, unfortunately.
The pandemic revealed Tesla as the clear EV leader. The stock has been in an absolute free fall.
When was Tesla not a leader? The pandemic didn't reveal anything. It just showed you that EVs are going to be wildly profitable. Tesla has always been the clear leader. There is no other company that beat Tesla ever at electric vehicles. I invested in early 2019 and then people caught on in 2020, 21 that, look, Tesla is a good investment opportunity.
Without question, this stock has lost its momentum. It's $497 billion in market cap.
What are you talking about? There's still great momentum going on for buying opportunities. Now, in all seriousness, the only momentum that I care about is the momentum of earnings. And as you can see, the momentum of projected earnings is strong. It keeps going up. And so is the momentum of buying opportunities. It just keeps getting lower and lower, and this gap just keeps on widening. I believe years from now, we will look at Tesla's stock price at $1,500 per share, and we will be looking at Gordon Johnson, and even Gordon Johnson will say, Tesla stock, $500 is the fair price of Tesla stock. I think today he said Tesla stock is going down to under $30 per share. Also, Gary Black called him an idiot. I mean, you wouldn't expect that from Gary Black, right? I mean, you surely would from Stephen Mark Ryan, but Gary Black went Stephen Mark Ryan mode there for a moment. This was said about a week or so ago.
The valuation is still a little bit rich. You've mostly owned this stock based on momentum.
How to lose money being a Tesla stock bull even when Tesla stock goes up, generally speaking. Rule number 6 from a video coming soon. Trade Tesla stock based on momentum. If it keeps going down, just assume it's going to keep going down. If it keeps going up, well, maybe assume it's going to keep going up for some time. But expect it to also come down a little bit and quite a lot some of the time. If you own Tesla stock based on momentum, you would have shorted Tesla stock in 2020, and that would have cost you everything. You would have lost so much money. Instead, you just keep it for a long time, and it's volatile, sure, very volatile. I mean, based on momentum, where did Tesla stock pick back up around this level here. I mean, where would you have bought it if you bought it based on momentum? I mean, here you're like, oh, sell, 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 and boom, it just goes up. I mean, why would you do that? And then if you are trading based on momentum, it's like, oh, it's going up, 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 up. Now, buy. Watch your portfolio go down 46%. Why trade Tesla stock?
And strategically, if you're hoping for some form of fundamental turnaround in the company from Elon Musk, you're not getting it. Why?
Because earnings keep growing and there's nothing to change fundamentally. I mean, what else do you want? Even more profits than however much profits we are going to have? You have a problem with profits? Doubling earnings per share estimates in 2 years is not good enough for you? Really? People screaming at Elon Musk saying he cannot manage 3 major US companies. I think they are wrong. Give Elon Musk a chance. Let's see how the next 2 or 3 quarters go, and then we can talk. I mean, people question Elon so much when he was running SpaceX and Tesla at the same time. No one thought, really, seriously, Elon would be able to pull all of this off. So don't you think that during all of this time, Elon has gotten a little bit smarter and a little bit wiser and is now more experienced and has built a tremendously great team that can also help him a lot more than before? So I think Tesla is going to be just fine. Relax, calm down, and watch Tesla's earnings, not the stock price short term.
Because he's blaming the Federal Reserve and he's blaming the economy for the troubles of Tesla.
Oh, where do we even start? Oh, what's this? Oh, it says fake news alert. Even my phone, it doesn't like all of this misinformation. Nowhere is Elon Musk saying that Tesla stock right now is going down because of macroeconomics. What Elon did say, Tesla will be great long term, but doesn't control macroeconomic tides. Where do you see here saying Tesla stock price? Elon is talking about the future. He said before that recession is inevitable. He said that months ago. So the recession he believes is coming next year. Elon Musk is simply trying to prepare all of us for the unexpected, for the worst possible case scenario. He's trying to tell us, be prepared, be careful, do not go into margin. Be very careful right now. At risk of stating obvious, beware of debt in turbulent macroeconomic conditions, especially when Fed keeps raising rates. One of my businesses had a credit line of $130,000 that we were actually using. We were using that much out of $400,000. And we closed it because the interest rates got so ridiculous. And I was using it before because the interest rate was below inflation. It was stupid, idiotic not to use it. Now it is stupid, idiotic to use it. Elon Musk understands. His Twitter shenanigans, of course, have an impact on Tesla stock price. He's very well aware of it. You think he's not? I mean, he's selling Tesla stock. You think he's not aware of the movements of Tesla stock prices? Really? He's not aware? He is very well aware. Courageous, notorious, bad coverage.
There's obviously something more that's going on than just the economy and the Federal Reserve.
Elon Musk being involved in Twitter is what's happening.
Goldman, they like Tesla. They cut the price target, though, to 235 from 305, which is interesting. They call it because of softer supply demand, which is, a question given what's going on in China, supply chain, et cetera, et cetera.
As you know, Tesla cut prices in China recently in October. And then again just now, not a big cut just now in December, but still a cut. And of course, there was a huge backlash, right? So let's take a look at this news story right here. Oh, just make sure to, editor, cut this out. Make sure that no one sees that this is from 2019 right here. No one can see this, because then everyone is going to realize that we have been using these same exact talking points now forever. I mean, it would be seriously inconvenient to also point out the fact that Tesla stock before, because of supposedly demand issues, price cuts, and many other things, Tesla stock dropped during that time, and then somehow, it's still a bad investment because it only returns 700%. So there's no way that's going to happen again. Absolutely no way. Absolutely not. I mean, Elon Musk, of course, he's not spending any time at Tesla. It's not like he has gotten any better during all these years managing SpaceX and Tesla at the same time. There's no way that he's able to add a third company to that. There's no way that he has built a team that he really trusts at SpaceX and Tesla that can do a lot of the work. No way that's possible, right? If you are a new Tesla stock investor, welcome. Cancel your Netflix. This is much more fun. And these are 48 reasons why I only own Tesla stock in my stock portfolio. Like and subscribe if you haven't yet, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much.